Hello and welcome to the Unexplained World channel. Today we will delve into the devastating floods and rainfall that have recently hit China. These disasters have affected thousands of lives, caused extensive damage, and left lasting impacts that won't be forgotten soon. In this video, we'll explore how these events began, their causes, impacts, and the measures that can be taken to prevent such disasters in the future. The beginning of the events, July, brought heavy rainfall to many regions of China. Sichuan, Chongqing, and Hubei were among the most affected areas. Meteorological reports indicated record-breaking rainfall levels in these regions. Within just a few days, these areas received much more rainfall than they typically would in an entire month. The heavy rains quickly led to river overflows and widespread flooding.
哇塞，吓死人了！
Causes of the flood. There are several main reasons for this devastating flood in China. Heavy rainfall. The intense rainfall in July is the primary cause of the flood. The large volume of water accumulated quickly and caused rivers to overflow. Geographical factors. Some regions of China are mountainous and have dense river networks. These geographical features increase the flood risk with rising rainfall. Climate change. Climate change is causing more frequent and severe extreme weather events globally, including in China. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns lead to more intense and unexpected rainfall. Infrastructure deficiencies. Insufficient water management and infrastructure systems exacerbated the flood's impact. Inadequate river channel management, dams, and drainage systems allowed uncontrolled water spread. Impacts and damage. The flood's consequences were extremely destructive. Homes and infrastructure. Thousands of homes were submerged. Roads and bridges were destroyed. Particularly in rural areas, the infrastructure suffered significant damage, and many communities had to be completely evacuated. Agricultural land. Agricultural lands were also heavily damaged. Crops were flooded, livestock perished, and farmers faced substantial financial losses. This situation threatened food security in the region. Human loss. Hundreds of people lost their lives. Thousands were injured or left homeless. Rescue teams worked tirelessly to save people trapped by the floodwaters, but reaching some areas was very difficult. Economic losses. The economic cost of the flood reached billions of dollars. The reconstruction of damaged infrastructure, housing needs of displaced people, and losses in the agricultural sector negatively impacted the country's economy. Response and rescue efforts. The Chinese government and local authorities responded quickly to the flood disaster. Rescue teams were dispatched to the flood-affected areas to save stranded people. Simultaneously, shelter and food aid were provided. International aid organizations also offered support and organized various relief campaigns. The government used emergency funds to swiftly allocate resources to the affected regions and initiated reconstruction efforts. Future measures and solutions. To prevent similar disasters in the future, several measures need to be taken. Infrastructure improvements, enhancing water management systems, and regulating river channels can play a crucial role in reducing flood risks. Dams and drainage systems should be made more efficient. Combating climate change. Greater efforts are needed to reduce global warming. Investing in renewable energy sources, reducing fossil fuel use, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions can mitigate the long-term effects of climate change. Early warning systems. More effective early warning and evacuation systems can help protect people from flood disasters. Technological advancements should be leveraged to make weather forecasts and warning systems more reliable. Public awareness. Educating the public about floods and other natural disasters can lead to quicker and more effective responses during emergencies. Educational programs and drills can effectively raise public awareness. In today's video, we thoroughly examined the devastating floods and rainfall in China. Taking measures to mitigate the impacts of such disasters is of great importance. Fighting climate change, improving infrastructure, and raising public awareness can help prevent similar disasters in the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We also look forward to your comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.